One day, Daddy Bird and Mommy Bird decided to build a nest. A nest is a house for a baby bird. They decided to build a nest. And Mommy Bird sat on the nest and she laid a beautiful yellow egg. And she sat on the nest for a long while, and she would protect the nest against the rain, against the wind. And as she was protecting the egg, she made many friends. She made one little friend. She made one bug friend, and she made another bug friend. One day, Mommy Bird heard a crack on the egg. And she looked down and there was a little crack on the egg. And then next day, Mommy Bird heard a big crack on the egg. And she looked down, and do you know what came out from the egg? Look, it's a little baby bird. See you next time. Goodbye.
Blackbird fly, take these black wings and learn to fly all your life. You were only waiting for this moment to arise. Blackbird